Yeah man, this is the country boy one more time. Protein is not real, part 2. Alright, for the beginning, for the starting, avocado sliced. Here we have onion, strips of ginger, escallion, garlic, bird pepper, which is the real pepper before they genetically modify it and call it cayenne pepper. And here we have tomato. And here we have Celtic salt. So that's the ingredients for the so-called protein that is not real. Coming up, much more. Yeah man. So here, we have the bulgur. By the way, this is my fork made from guava stick. So bulgur is there, and it's seasoned with natural season, garlic, ginger, escallion, and pimento. See the pimento seeds and bird pepper, of course. Dinner time will be soon. Stay tuned. Yes, one more time. Protein is not real, part 2. Part 3. Yeah, so much of us have excuses that to eat healthy, you have to be rich. Of course, cause rich is way cheaper. So let me get rid of this mentality right now. So what I have here, I have these. I'm gonna make an avocado slide for the so-called meat that you would cook. You know what? We are just lazy, and it's the truth. We prefer to pay for things that people are cooking in bad oil, those so-called vegetable oils that is one molecule away from plastic. So I'm gonna throw this into this and crush it and stir, right? And then that will be served with ta-da! My bulgur that is simmering down. Steamed bulgur, of course, that is high in vitamin A and iron. I'm gonna show you the finishing product. So here goes. Now you crush. So I'm gonna crush. It's because I have the camera by myself. I'm gonna crush and stir, and I'm gonna show you the finishing product. Yeah, so the finishing product looks like this. So this can be served with your crackers or anything, your healthy bread. If you wish to eat bread, people are asking if there's a bread that is healthy. Yes, the one that you made. Make it all you want it. So, ta-da! You see the coloration, and I'm gonna crush it some more. And you know it's serving with this, of course. So you turn on my people, finishing touch. Yeah man, so I'm gonna share out my food, you know. Yes I, when we finish, me show you. Yeah man, finishing touch man. Me carry out my raw, show you a beautiful man in a sun man. The different colors man. So lazy, we lazy, you know my people. Make we follow the Western psychology where come with the meat industry. We are long intestine, meaning that we fermentate foods in our stomach, and not only fruits and vegetables can fermentate, but for decomposing stomachs with short intestine like animals, they were designed to eat meat, but they have sold the Europeans have sold us out. And some we buy. You understand? So see there, we don't need no meat. Yeah man, so see there. Watch out. Celtic salt. The salt with 82 minerals. Yeah man. So I like my food a little bit salty, you know. So I never add no salt to my avocado slide. You see me? Yeah man. And who talk about if you eat no salt? Without salt, your blood cannot clot. It's just the right salt for you to eat. Yeah, man, I'm going to go have a meal right now, man. Protein is definitely not real. I hope somehow now get the understanding of this and stop your laziness. Because laziness leads to obesity, high cholesterol, heart problem, and all kind of disease, blood pressure, everything, diabetes. Yeah, man, manners and respect. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.